The purpose of this video is to explain how to convert the JFIF format to JPG format with SysTools Image Converter. Let's talk about the main features. Capable to convert JFIF images to JPG format without losing quality. Preserve the image quality after the conversion of images. Converted images supported by all image viewers. This JFIF to JPG converter tool is supported by all Windows versions. Let's start the process. Go to Google and enter SysTools Image Converter. Clicks on the link shown over your device screen. To download the tool, click on the download button. Then install and run the software. Let's start the process. This is an interface of the software. On the right side of the panel, here are a few buttons such as: if you want to add a file and add a folder, here we have the Add File and Add Folder button. To remove something from your data, after importing, then click on the Remove and Remove All button. And if you want to change the order of your imported file, then select the Move Up and Move Down buttons. For the present, I am selecting Add File button. Window open. Select the image and move by clicking on the Open button. Now data imported. In the destination path, we have Convert and Print the Radio button. Select as per your convenience. Moving down, click on the Change button. Window open. Here you can save the file, and with Make New Folder option, you can create the folder, save the file and click on the OK button. Now to move forward, click on the Next button. Now you can see the chosen images in the Preview panel. Setting panel, and select the Export Format option. Select the format from the drop-down menu. I am moving to JPG. Move down, in Image Conversion Setting. You can set the image quality, and change the size of the image by adjusting the height and width of image. For the conversion, click on the Convert button. Click OK. Then tap on the destination path link. This will directly drop you at the location. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.